Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is pizza. So we are going to make some pizza, oven baked pizza and also stove top pizza. So we are going to know the two ways we can do it. If you don't have oven, how you can make your pizza without oven, and also how you can make your pizza with oven. Anyone goes. Okay, so we are going to start, and I already have my dough. I have a video on how to make pizza dough, and so please check the description box for a link to how to make pizza dough, and also I have a video on how to make pizza sauce, so check on it. I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box for you to refer to it. So what I'm doing now is slicing my veggies and trying to separate the veggies, the onions. Yes, I'm making use of only onions and bell peppers. And I've already sliced my sausage. And so the sausage, I'm going to fry it now. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment and share. And so we are frying our sausage. Okay. And so the sausage is ready. We are going to work on the rest of the veggies. That is our bell pepper. And so just slice them into any shape and size that you want, but I usually don't use the hard parts. I just separate them. I don't use it. Okay, so we are going to use mozzarella cheese, and we are going to grate our cheese. I'm going to use food processor to grate it. And so we are grating our cheese now. Okay, so we are done grating. Just poured it, and we are going to work on our dough. As I said, I have a video on how to make pizza dough, so check the description box for a link to how to make pizza dough. So I just sliced it into four, just divided it into four, and I'm using margarine to grease my pan, the pan that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one for the oven. Yes, just grease it, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of flour also on the chopping board, and then roll the dough. So I'm going to roll the dough. Just make sure you also apply a little bit of flour on the rolling pin to make it easy to roll. Okay, so here is it. Just roll it. My round is not perfect round, but you can make perfect round. Do it. Okay. Okay, so we are just going to lift it. We are done, so just lift it, and then and I'm going to use my palm to stretch it to fill all the side. Yes, to fill it and cover the full pan. And so this is it. So I am done. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to add our pizza sauce. As I said, I have a video on how to make pizza sauce, and so check the description box for a link to how to make pizza sauce. You can also use tomato ketchup as your pizza sauce. Yes, and also I have a video on how to make tomato ketchup. The pizza sauce, you don't need too much, 2 tablespoons. Okay, too much is going to make it too soaky and oily, so just use 2 tablespoons. That will be okay for you. And so you can check the description box for also a link to how to make tomato ketchup. Either if you're on a keto, I have a video on how to make keto pizza dough, so you can also check on it and then get a video on how to make keto pizza dough. It's real. It looks exactly like this. And so just sprinkle some cheese on it. And then we are going to add our veggies to it, onions and bell peppers also to it. And then at this point, you are going to add our sausage. Yes, almighty sausage to 8. I'm going to add everything. I'm trying to stuff this pizza pan here, so I'm adding everything. Every bit of it is going straight there, and then I'm going to sprinkle my cheese on it. Yes, so the cheese, the more the cheese, so for me, I love to add a lot of cheese to it, so just sprinkle the quantity that you want on it. Okay, so we are going to bake, and I'm using gas oven to bake this, and so I just set it low. I on the gas oven up and down and just set it low. And so if you are using an electric oven, just set it not too high. Medium heat will be okay for you. Okay, so with the pan one too, I'm just using the oil that I used to fry the sausage. Just pour everything, just leave a little of it in the pan. Then just place the rolled dough into the pan, cover for 2 to 3 minutes, then quickly turn it. Yes, turn it to the other side, and then you quickly add your pizza sauce on it, and then the other ingredients. And this one too, like I said, 2 tablespoons. Okay, so quickly apply it on it, and then you start adding your veggies to it. For this one, we are going to make use of tuna flakes, or tuna chunks. You can make use of chicken, you can make use of beef, you can make use of any fish of your choice. Yes, and so we are going to add our cheese on it, and then we will start adding our veggies also on it. Please like this video, share and comment. Okay, support my channel to grow. So you are going to add the tuna to it. Make sure we are not adding the oil. So just scoop the fish or the tuna and then add it to it and spread it out. So just don't add the oil to it. It's going to be too oily or too much for you. So just then we are going to add rest of the veggies, and then also add our cheese, our cheese on it. Yes, so add the cheese, the quantity you want on it, and then what you are going to do is we are going to cover with the lid and then lower it and let it cook. So we are checking on the oven one. Yes, and it's ready. It's ready. Yes, looking awesome. And so the oven top one, sorry, the stove I said more. The stove top one, make sure that you don't make it high, just lower it. I regulated it to the lowest one so that we'll have time to cook very well. Okay, so we are slicing our pizza from the oven. The oven one, because we have direct fire on top, that is why you see it this way. But with the pan one or the one on the stove top, we don't have any direct heat from the top, direct fire from the top, and so this is the result you get. And so if you are using the oven one, you can choose not to on the upper parts of your gas oven. You can choose to use the lower parts, only the fire, so that you will get it this way. But if you use the upper part of the oven, you are going to get it like the way I got mine. And so this is it for our pizza, the oven one and also the stove top one. So we are going to take it for you to say yes, it tastes so good. Any of them is, and you see the under didn't burn because the fire wasn't too high. Do you get it? And this is the stove top, everything well cooked and nice. You are going to love every bit of it. So give it a try. And so even if you don't have oven, you have no excuse. You can still try some pizza at home. Okay. So this is it. So okay, so this is our pizza. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and do well to leave a comment. Watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.